Are you sabotaging your workout gains without even knowing it? Discover the secrets to maximizing muscle recovery and performance. Living a healthy lifestyle is the most crucial step to recovering from workouts. No fancy supplement can replace good nutrition and rest. Many believe expensive supplements are the key to results, but the basics are far more important. Eating healthy foods and getting a good night's sleep are the best ways to help your muscles recover. Protein post-workout is essential. It provides the raw materials needed to repair muscle damage. Research suggests consuming 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to maximize muscle growth. Carbohydrates post-workout help replenish glycogen stores and improve muscle repair and performance. A balanced diet ensures you don't develop nutrient deficiencies that impair muscle recovery. Hydration is key. Dehydration can severely impair your muscles' ability to repair themselves. Cherry juice can reduce inflammation, muscle damage, and soreness, aiding in faster recovery. Creatine monohydrate is a well-studied supplement that can improve strength and aid in muscle recovery. Protein powder is a convenient way to meet your daily protein needs and support muscle recovery. Sleep is vital. It gives your muscles time to recover and grow stronger. Massage can reduce muscle soreness and aid in recovery. Compression garments may help speed up recovery by reducing muscle soreness. Cryotherapy, exposing your body to extreme cold, can reduce pain and inflammation after intense workouts. Avoid alcohol. It can increase blood pressure, lower sleep quality, and hinder muscle recovery. Smoking tobacco negatively impacts your musculoskeletal system and increases the risk of injury. Recovery time depends on your fitness level and workout intensity. Light workouts may need 24 hours, while intense ones might take longer. Strategically alternating muscle groups in your workouts can increase recovery time and reduce injury risk. Maximize your muscle recovery with a healthy diet and good sleep. Your gains depend on it.